Yeah, that shot taken by an A5100 with a kit lens. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are watching this video, I'm actually recording this with the Sony A5100, not even my A6400, because I already sold it, guys. Whenever you guys are watching right now, I'm recording with A5100, plug-in micro USB 1.0 to the OBS via an extension cable. Imagine an extension cable transferring this data to the computer and to the USB 3.0 on the desktop, of course, because I'm not using 1.0 on my desktop. Basically, it is possible for you guys to transfer data this amount and making this effect not as shaky or whatnot in OBS as compared to my 4K A6400 transferring data. So the reason being, you guys must be thinking, wait man, Azim, why you sold your A6400? It looks so good, it's 4K, then you got everything, the Sigma lens and everything. And using the kit lens itself is really affordable for my case. You don't have to think about much because it's portable. It's not like a very expensive lens that you thinking about fungus and so on. Again, I went through the A6400 with the Sigma. I bought the Sigma 16 and also the Sigma 30mm 1.4. Both of them are amazing. It's just that I like to liquidate my money to do something else, especially investment into crypto. So in that case, I'm a more flexible kind of guy. I don't have to worry about dry box and everything else. This camera A5100, I don't mind even being broken, but again, A5100 is a very good purchase for those who just want to have a webcam. They're gonna look like a bit like a professional look, just like right now, or even just want to be presentable in terms of conferences, in Zoom meetings and so on. So all you need, guys, is just a dummy battery, and that's about it. I've been switching on this A5100. This is proven more than an hour just recording these videos and other videos. It works well. It doesn't have heat up issues because you are using a dummy battery. Using a dummy battery that's attached to a USB at the back, that particular power supply, since it's a very low hungry kind of camera, you only need supply from the USB, so it doesn't need to have another brick to supply the camera. So I'm using an extension to an extension just to get the power supply, and then have another separate extension just for the micro USB to work properly for transferring data at a USB 1.0. The cable that you need to have in mind is that it has to come from the box, Sony box. It has to be original. I've tried using other micro USBs. It doesn't work when it comes to detecting the ILC A5100, that kind of stuff on a desktop driver. It doesn't work. It has to use the original cable, and from there you can use an extension cable. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This is a very fast way of me saying to you guys, if you guys are planning to get A5100, go get it. You have no regrets. Get the black one, guys, if you can. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.